Hello, my name is Ron with Through the Wire USA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of our DVI video extender sets. This set allows you to transmit your DVI video signal up to 150 feet at a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It comes with a transmitter and a receiver. On the transmitter we have an input. This is where you connect your DVI signal with a DVI cable to the input. Then we have a networking port output, so we use a networking cable here to connect to the receiver's networking input. Then we have a output here to connect your extended display. And also here on the receiver we do have an equalizer for adjusting the video signal depending on what length of UTP cable you are using. And now the first thing that I'll do is I'll connect the power to the transmitter. And I have a DVI cable connected to this laptop. Now we'll connect it to the input on the transmitter. Now I have here 150 feet of networking UTP cable. I'll connect this to the output of the transmitter. Now on the receiver we will also connect the power and a DVI cable coming from the monitor to the output on the receiver, and lastly the networking cable to the input of the receiver. And as you can see, everything that is visible on the laptop is now being displayed on the extended monitor as well at 1920 by 1080. For more information about this product or to make a purchase, please click the link in the description.